Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inkscape tutorials how to link image. Okay, to link image you can go to file menu, click import tools, and for example I will use this image. You can click open. Don't forget to check links in import image type. After it, click OK. It will be automatically attached into your canvas the link image. If you want to change this image by links, you can right click on image and then go to image properties to be shown in the red bar in here. Now you can set the URL at this box tools. So if you have the URL from internet, you only paste at this URL and it will be automatically change the image. Okay, that's it for basic Inkscape tutorials how to link image. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.